as chosen ones, we need to conserve our energy because during this energy shift, so we need our energy in order to receive this higher plasmic energy na nakakatulong sa planet natin para mag-upgrade din. So we are working in a collective consciousness, and the same time we are working with Mother Gaia, with Mama Gaia. So kung ano yung pag-upgrade na nangyari sa planet, we are calling to participate with this big event, huge event na ngayon lang mangyayari sa planet natin. And as a chosen one, it is not being ego mindset na ay chosen one ka, ganito ganyan. So chosen one means you are choosing yourself to participate in this kind of big event na nangyayari sa planet natin. So that is a chosen one. And if you choose yourself to be a participant of this big shift, energy shift, so alam nyo na kung sino kayo, and you are supported sa lahat ng mga needs ninyo na kailangan ninyo sa pag-upgrade. So yan yung energy exchange din sa atin ni Mother Gaia. So thank you for watching.